I am Chris, here with my friend
Emily.
And we are here at the Foodshare kitchen. Today we're going to make chia pudding, a delicious snack or meal for breakfast, after school, and even dessert. So, Emily, can you show us what we need?
A cutting board, a fork, a banana, yogurt, oats, hemp heart, chia seeds, almond milk, a quarter teaspoon, vanilla, and a jar or a container.
Right on, exactly. Super simple. So all we need to do is peel the banana and mash it up. Then we're going to add everything together. Yeah, keep doing it. Mash, mash, mash. Add the smashed banana. Add the yogurt. Add your oatmeal. Add your milk. And the vanilla.
Should have got it open first.
It's okay. Ooh, pour it right over top. Nice. And last but not least, add your chia seeds.
and the hearts.
We're gonna hold off on the hemp hearts for now. Excellent. So you can stir it with the fork or the spoon if you would like, but we can also shake it since it's in a jar.
I want to shake it.
So now we're going to put this in the refrigerator, and while it waits for at least 2 hours or even overnight, all of those chia seeds are going to absorb all that liquid and become a thick pudding. With our finished chia pudding, and we're going to dress it up. Excellent. So add whatever fruit you would like, and we're going to top it up with hemp seeds. Nice.
I dropped one.
I'm going to take some too. Yum. And hemp seeds. Shall we try some?
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'll step Buffy.